Alright, hey, what's up guys? Ghosting is another video, this time in the G37 once again. This time showing you guys a cool feature with Infinitis. Before we get into that, I did want to make an announcement. So I've been kind of slack on the videos, there's been a lot going on in my personal life, so trying to do this and everything, and trying to do everything. I do have some big plans for this car. I'm getting some parts actually in pretty soon. I'm also getting my big service from Infiniti on the 15th of November, so that's about a month away. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video. So, as you know, I drive a G37. You can roll a cut there. Yesterday's lunch, you know. So, on these cars, they have a diagnostic menu where you can actually access all of the internal systems and test them. So, in this video, we're going to be going through that. So, first, what you want to do is you want to, you know, if your audio is on, like it's on Bluetooth or whatever, go ahead and press off, and then do settings, and then keep doing this right here, and then there we go. So, this is your diagnostic screen right here. So, self-diagnosis, nothing's wrong with my car. It shows everything here. So we're gonna go through this whole menu here and go ahead and see anything that's personal information. I'm gonna go ahead and censor because I don't want, you know. So let's go ahead and see here. I'm gonna make sure. Yeah, so this is a color spectrum bar here. So you can go ahead and do like this, which is pretty awesome. If your screen's going bad, gradation bar to see how much gradient it has. Touch panel, so you can do touch panel calibration. White display to see if there's any black pixels. Mine has none. That's awesome. You go back and it's vehicle signals. So all of these are, you know, just showing what's going on. So if an Infiniti tech sees your car, they usually do this, and they'll see like vehicle speed, parking brake. You know, so if I go ahead and turn my parking brake, watch this. It's on. Now it's off. And the ignition, of course, is on. Side view switch, I don't even know what that is, but you know, it's kind of cool. Speaker test, I'm gonna go ahead and see here. Be warned, it is kind of loud, so you can hear that. I apologize for the audio. But yeah, it does the speaker test and everything, test if the speakers are going bad. Climate control, which is pretty awesome. You can go ahead and, like, you know, I don't even know. I think it's outside. Yeah, yeah. Navigation, I'm gonna go see if there's anything in there. Yeah, so this is just navigation. It shows, you know, how fast you're going or whatever. Error history is gonna show like any errors, and I don't know why, but iPod authentication error. So you can like check these and see like where it was at. I don't even know where that is, dude. Probably one of the previous owners or whatever. Yeah, that's up really far away from where I'm at right now. Really far away. FES lock, I'm not too sure what, or FES clock, I don't know what that is really. I think that's when it synchronizes with the like the XM that I have in my car, which is pretty awesome. Vehicle CAN diagnosis, so AV, you know, it just shows everything. There we go. Hands-free volume adjustment, it, you know, shows that. So you can do a microphone testing. So this is how my mic sounds in my car. I think it's right up here. Yeah, it's right up there. So it's really kind of cool that you can do that. But yeah, so it's kind of cool that you can go through all the settings and see if anything's working. Camera, you can go ahead and do configuration. It's a lot of stuff. I'm not even going to get into this. Most of this stuff is really just for technicians and stuff like that. But I'm just showing you guys all this because of that. XM, hopefully it doesn't have my thing on it. Okay, so my car also has XM traffic and nav weather, which is kind of awesome. Initialize setting just means that it initializes it. Vehicle information, I think that has my VIN in it. I'm checking here for you guys. I don't really want to, you know. Oh, it's loading. Okay, yeah, it says just some versions and stuff like that. I'm just not going to show it just in case. But it just shows everything. So now we're back. But yeah, that's that. And then you know what? Since this video, you know, I'll show you guys also some of the settings that I have on here. So we'll go back, and yeah. So let's see here. But yeah, I think I might just save the thing for another day. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment below. That was a shorter one. I've been trying to, you know, get some parts and everything, but it's kind of hard right now because I just changed my job and everything. Going through a lot of stuff in my personal life. But yeah, so staying positive. Staying positive. It's one of the lessons that I tell everyone is just stay positive. It's the only way to, you know, can get through stuff and stuff like that. But I hope you guys have a great day, and make sure to stay spooky, my friends. And I will see you guys in the next car video. Goodbye.